YouTube, what's going on? Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. As you see, I have a box on the table, a gigantic box. I'm not quite sure what Nike was doing, but this box, this was a release that just happened a couple weeks ago. It was a shoe that released originally back in September 2024. Back then, you know, I'm thinking for $225, and apparently Nike has had some extra pairs or something like that come up or something, and they put them out, and I bought a pair. But I've never seen something I've never seen the size of a box like this be that big for one shoe. So also on the label, I'm not going to show all the label, but it does say Nike Rebound, and I've never seen that as a shipping name before when purchasing from Nike, so I don't know what's going on with that. Hopefully these shoes weren't reworked and then sent out for full price. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, I don't know if you guys checked out my other segment with the collection or my vault collection, but go and check that out. I'm going to be adding shoes to the collection on a weekly basis. You know, I'm just going to, like I said, I'm just going to reach in there, grab whatever I grab, and we're going to go down memory lane. But as you see on the table, we have a black box. Of course, I know some of you guys are familiar with what this shoe is, but we are going to go through the presentation together. Basically, you just gotta fold these open or open them like this. Boom. You got one side, that's beautiful. Next side, as you see, you got the A Ma Maniere logo, followed by the IO or 10. I'm not too sure if that's a 10. Somebody comment down below, let me know what that means. And inside, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful presentation as always. Got that silver back lining. Oh, that's beautiful. Silver back lining on that. When this shoe originally came out, I did not get it. It was an all-women's release, but no. I don't play that, you know. But look at this. Smooth. Oh, look at this. Okay, look at that. A Ma Maniere, they do their thing. I love that company, man. Listen, I don't care what they look. Women's shoe? Nah, I'm gonna wear that. I'll wear that right now. As you can see, they don't never fail with presentation. You know, this shoe is a beautiful shoe. I know people were doing videos of this shoe being on Burlington Coat Factory or other stores. I'm not too sure what that's all about. I clearly don't care. I'm not going to get this shoe at Burlington Coat Factory, honestly. I'd rather pay full price from the company because I know the worth of the shoe, you know. I think it's worth whatever it's worth, you know. Whatever it paid. If it was $200, I'd pay $200. If it was $190, I'd pay $190. If it's $230, I would have paid $230 just to have the shoe, just to have it. It's a piece of history. You know, it's a beautiful shoe, you know. It's a beautiful collaboration that they got going on. You know, look at this thing. Anyways, beautiful appearance. Let's set this one down. A little quick look. Oh, yeah. Nice little quick look at the other one. And you already know we're going to deep dive on this shoe because we're going to need to, because that's what A Ma Maniere brings to the table. You need to actually look at every little portion of the shoe to see what it's all about. Definitely going to break down the box because the box is awesome. It's one of the best features, one of the best boxes I've seen in a while. As you see on the side, Jordan logo on the side, and on the tag, let's take a look at the tag. We have the Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP Fossil Stone Metallic Pewter. Okay, this is a size 8 men's. As you see, there's a size 8 men's there. There's a men's tag there for a reason. Okay, these shoes are unisex. Men, you can wear these, man. Feel free, man. This is a beautiful colorway. I don't care. You know, might even get my wife a pair. Anywho, let's go back to it. As you see, this is a regular box. Let's look at the bottom of the box. Nice little shiny white or silver, metallic, bright, shiny lettering on there to give that box that premium feel. Of course, I know we're just talking about a box, but ladies and gentlemen, the box is everything as well. It's all about the experience. We're going to open that up. As you see, the box inside has these little clips that goes on the inside and clips shut. Pretty sweet touch to the box. A little more details to the box, and somebody needs to help me out with this, but I think I know. But we do have a Converse logo, Jordan logo, and then we have the Nike logo on the inside of the box. I'm just trying to figure out. I know Nike owns Converse now, but where's the A Ma Maniere logo? Or maybe this all ties into all that. I'm not too sure. Somebody comment down below. Let me know. Give me some history. Maybe A Ma Maniere can give me a little history of what the inspirations were for the shoe. But getting back to the shoe, as you see, all right, little flip lid. This is a foil accented, backing on this box. I'm not too sure, but it does have the A for the company's brand, A Ma Maniere, all over it, printed on the back. Let's get more deeper into the box. A restaurant style napkin, a little different touch there. We continue with the tissue paper as well. So we got the double separating paper. I do see YCM sticker right away. I'm not seeing anything else other than that. So yes, I do see the box lid is 330 by 235 by 120, and this is a weird one because I'm not seeing the box itself. That's what it is. I'm not seeing no other numbers. Usually there's two numbers, but I'm not seeing no other numbers for anything else. If I do see it, I'll put it up. Other than that, that is the box. Yeah, it's kind of weird. There's no, like, I know there's a tray number and a lid number usually, but okay. All right, well. And there you have it in all its glory. Yes, sir, or ma'am. Beautiful shoe. Comes with a bunch of things. So we have to quickly unwrap all this stuff together. As you see, you have a Nike Air ID tag or whatever they call that. Also have a Ma Maniere tag. Okay, let's get a little close with that. Sorry. As you see, with the Michael Jordan signature on there, because it says it's approved by him. All right, this is approved. Handle with care. Okay, love it. Love it. Also does come with shoelaces. Beautiful shoe. Let's take a look at it though a little bit. Try to put this inside. Beautiful. Love the Nike hit on the back. As you see, it is a beautiful work of art. Okay, let's have a look at the stitching on the side. Okay, beautiful. I love how they blended that mesh in with the sail color on the back or whatever. It's just, contrast is beautiful. Some more to stitching, of course. Air bubble. Okay, see the hand strokes there. Light. Other than that, okay, cage on the inside, the toe right here is nice and fluffy. And yes, this is another thing too. It's like raised lettering here. It's pretty nice touch. Instead of the usual Jordan stitch logo there, they have a actual raised logo here for A Ma Maniere. Pretty sweet. Other than that, let's take a look at the inside of the shoe. All right, I'm gonna take a look at the inside real quick. Oh boy, they did all this beautiful presentation, but I get it. And you know, tissue paper, nice and stiff, you know, that's what you want. Nice stiff tissue paper, not the soft stuff. I don't know, but anywho. The tongue, As always, only A Ma Maniere does. This tongue is comfortable, stiff. It's like stiff, baby. Like, you know, it's hard to manipulate, but you know. But as you see, it says Air Jordan on the inside, reversed or upside down. Okay, quilted inside footbed or sock liner. Okay, as you see. As always, man, they don't play. They don't play. Let's take a look at the inside. Sole also has a nice little textured feel with the smally micro printed. It looks like A Ma Maniere logo with the A. Okay. And we do have the Air Jordan 11 insole. That's awesome. Okay. Let's take a look at the inside. Stitching. All right. Oh, as always, messages. Yes, while you were sleeping. Okay, this is all part of the, they call it capsule. The while you were sleeping capsule, I believe. Beautiful imagination, beautiful everything, man. Beautiful execution of the product. By far, the colors, the styles that they put out, yeah, they're top notch. Okay, that is the inside. Let's see if I can get the size tag out. I mean, this thing is rough. You know, to try to manipulate this shoe, I don't want to crease it. I don't know if you guys can get a glimpse of that right quick. I'm sorry. But as you see, LN3 factory. LN3 factory. God. Yeah. Date code is 013124 051724. If you guys need me to send you better images of that, will do. All right. And as I'm getting ready to close out the video, you know, do what I do. You just gotta. They don't play. Their attention to detail is just amazing. Between the quilted sock liner, the stitching in that, you know, that's crazy. And then you go and see the shoelaces. What does it say? Work hard. It says work hard on there. So now it says work harder. I'm sorry, work harder. So now I got to look at the other shoe, you know, because I'm sure the other shoe has something on it as well. But anywho, let's do that. Let's look at the other shoe. And of course, another pair of laces. This looks like a cell colorway lace. And you have your white and your cell color. Okay. Bow. All right. No touch. Didn't even notice that. Let's take a look here. And of course, you have the Jordan raised logo. Okay. There is a difference on that. That's pretty sweet. As always, they give you that nice touch. Look at that. Okay. Jordan raised logo on there. Just like the left shoe. Pretty sweet. Not seeing anything else different. Let me check out these shoelaces. The shoelace also says work harder. Now I'm wondering what the other shoelaces say. Let me just have a look. They also say work harder. Okay, they say work harder. Let's take a look. There's message under here. No message. Other shoe does say... Oops, sorry. Does say no, the other shoe does say something. Okay, it says. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, yep. Okay. So the other shoe does say A Ma Maniere. Okay. Pretty nice touch as always. As always, they kept nothing from us. Okay. This is beautiful. As you see, the same thing. Let me see. Yes, while you were sleeping on the inside as well. And shoelace, let's see, colors, yep. Okay, there you have it. And I'm opened up both shoes. Let me check the shoe tree out real quick. Shoe tree. 2 pairs of laces. Okay. I mean, all that. I'll take it. Beautiful shoe. Not seeing anything else that we should go over. If there is something I should go over, please comment below. Other than that, this is the Air Jordan 4 Retro OG A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping. All right. There you have it. To it, beautiful shoe, love it. They got some more heat coming out. Stay tuned. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, today's content, please comment, like, subscribe.